Okay, we have a lock from Potti314 in Germany. I spoke to Michael that I needed a easy lock to open, and he said, well, I'll send you a very easy lock to open. It's a DOM. I think this is a 6-pin, and so we're going to open this easy lock. Okay, let's use top of the keyway, and let's use this pick. It's a Peterson gem. Let's start at the front of the lock. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, pin 6, I believe. A little bit on pin 1, we got our false set back. We got a little bit of false set on the way back, and we lost it a little bit on pin 6, but we've got it back. Okay, there's pin 3. Gives a little bit more turn on the plug. Okay, there it is open. I believe it was on pin 3. Alright, let's just use our Sparrow's pinning mat here, so we can see what's in this lock. See if we can get this clip off. Okay, there we go. Excuse me just a moment, I lost my tweezers. Okay, let's see if we can pull this out. Look at the pins. Boy, they're deep inside. Okay, there's pin, I don't know, maybe it's 5-pin, I'm not sure. I'll put it there. That's a spool. Okay, that's another, okay, that looks like some T-pin. There's a spring. We don't even have a pin in that one. Doesn't look like it. Didn't come out. Okay, I guess we're not pushing it far enough out. Okay, there's a pin. Get that spring out of the way. Okay, that's only a 5-pin. And I'm missing a pin in the top. It's okay, there's okay, I think we've got a pin stuck in the Bible. We've only got 4 pins. I don't think one of the pins come out. Okay, I only got 4 pins that I can see. Let me go check this right quick under lighting. Okay, only 4 pins in the Bible. I don't see another pin laying around anywhere, and I only see 4 springs, no 5 springs. So I guess 1 pin jumped out and it's gone, that I didn't see it come out. So Michael, let me know what pin was in this lock. The springs were in it, but well, wait a minute, there's the other pin. It was hung up inside the plug. I don't know which one that come out of, but there's the other pin, fell out of the plug. Okay, we made a mess of that gutting, but let's look at the pins anyway. Okay, this was a 5-pin DOM, whatever that stands for. Okay, nothing been changed about the plug or the Bible. So let's take a closer look at those pins. Okay, we've got a serrated pin with a little hole in the end of it. Got another serrated pin. Another serrated pin with a little hole in it on 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5. We've got this serrated pin with another, no, just serrated pin and a spool. And the upper pin or bottom pins looks like they are all standard, except for this number 1 pin, which looks like it's got a serration around it. Let's see about the standard. Okay, it's got a little serration on it. That one's a standard, and this one looks like a standard. Okay, that's what we have in this lock from Michael. 5-pin DOM, DOM. I thought it was a 6-pin, but I never did count the pins. Okay, thank you very much, Michael. I appreciate this lock. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you again for watching.